Good morning, guys. I'm watching Kathleen Light's video while having my coffee. It's my day off today. It's Thursday and day off ko din bukas Friday and then Saturday, Sunday I'm working. So, yes. Anyway, I will have skyflakes and coffee. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, let's feed the fish. The fishes, let's feed them. Nagmamadali siya din kanina eh. Siya usually yung nag-feed na kasi nakakalimutan ko. Hello, ganda ng mga kulay nyo ah. Kahapon guys, ako, nagwa-wipe na ako para ngayon vacuum na lang. Kasi gusto ko na talaga gawin yung house tour, kaya lang, hindi ko matapos malinis yung bahay. Meron talagang isang part na hindi ko matapos and then sabi ko, you know what? Hindi ko i-include yung room ko, yung filming room ko sa house tour kasi it's still in progress, guys. Kailangan ko pa ng mga gamit doon. I'm like kind of revamping it, something like that. Not really, but basta ayusin ko siya and I just do not have the time yet. And then this afternoon, I will get my nails done kasi tingnan nyo naman yung nails ko, guys. The regrowth. I think, isang week na lang, mag-isang buwan na to. Actually, isang buwan na, guys. Kasi, na ba tayo ngayon? 27. I got it done 24, I think, last month. So, more than 1 month na. Ayan. Kain pa more, mga fishes! Meron talagang isa na ayaw talaga makisama. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Noon yung pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ayusin ko muna to. I-on natin yung lights niyo. Noon, siya yung ayaw makisama, diba? Ay, ito, siya. Ngayon, nakikisama na siya. Merong isa na, asan na? Kasi naka-on na yung camera, friendship na kayo lahat. Merong isa na, parang ito ata, yung leopard na, parang siya. Na lagi siyang nandito. Kahit na kumakain yung iba, siguro gutom na gutom ka na, no? Edi wow. Ay, guys. Hahaha, ito pala. Nandito siya. See? Siya pala yun. See? Nagtago. I can see your tail. Ayaw niyang makisama. Sila, chill sila. Kain pa more. Tapos yung isa, nandun, nagtago sa ilalim. Kasama si janitor fish. Asan si janitor fish? Anong ginawa nyo kay janitor fish? Hi guys! Gusto lang ako ipakita sa inyo. So, I'm cleaning, right? Kasi gusto ko mag-film ng ngayon. House tour ngayon. I'm not sure if I will do it. But, I'm doing my best. So, I'm cleaning. Anyway, naglilinis ako. Dito sa part na to, ito yung kay Dan. So, yan. Hanggang dyan sa taas. Kay Dan yan. And tingnan nyo naman to, guys. There. Chocolates. Heaps. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandyan. Pero nandyan siya. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo. This is, anong chocolate ba to? Roses, I think it is. Pero nakakaloka. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share. And meron akong mga cards na nakita dito. Sobrang sweet! Ito, happy birthday card galing sa mama at saka sa stepdad na Dan last year for my birthday. And then, engagement card. Yung ibang cards, hindi ko na alam. Pero, ang dami kasi relatives ni Dan na I don't even know them, guys. Like, ito. Hindi ko sasabihin yung pangalan kasi I feel bad na hindi ko maalala kung sino sila. Sobrang si-sweet nila. And then, ito. Galing to kay Lorena. So sweet. As in, sobrang sweet. Sinandan niya ako ng engagement card. Nung nalaman niya na engaged na kami na Dan. This was last year. October last year. Ganda ng penmanship niya. So sweet. And then, this is from Auntie Kay. Yung binisita namin one Sunday. And, yeah. Sabi lang niya, congratulations. Kasi, yeah, mga engagement cards. Ito lang yung mga nandito. I know it's everywhere. And I'm actually gonna put it in a box. Para, like, matago lahat. Lahat ng cards. Kasi meron akong na-accumulate dun sa bedside. And then, ito dito sa part na Dan. And then, I'm pretty sure I have some on my side as well. But, yeah. I just want to get, like, a nice box. To put that in. Yung pimple ko, inano ko siya eh. Meron siyang, inano ko siya, parang, what do you call that? Pinil ko siya. And now parang it's bloody na it's not. Anyway, I will cover that with concealer later. Ang dami niya mga ano dito. Oh, meron pang picture ng nanay niya. So cute. Hindi ko alam kung sino tong batang to. Parang kamukha ni ano. I'm not sure. Pero, yan yung nana na Dan. Wala na siya actually. Hindi ko siya na-meet. Pero lagi sinasabi ng mama niya sa akin na, ano, pwede siya magugustuhan ka ni Nana kasi magka-height kayo. Magka-height daw kami ni Nana. So, maraming pictures dito din, guys. Tingnan nyo nga ito. Napakita ko na sa inyo yung picture niya. May mga picture ng mga pamangkin na Dan na ayoko ipakita. Pero, ang nasa Thailand kaming dalawa. Look how skinny Dan is! Sobrang skinny ni Dan nun. Sobrang workout niya, guys. Sobrang workout niya talaga before kami nag-meet. Tapos ngayon, anyari. Lagi yung sinasabi, lagi yung joke. I'm married now. I don't have to work out. Pero nag-workout pa din naman siya. Like last night, sobrang lamig na kasi. So, hindi na siya nakakatakbo-takbo every night. Pero, last night, he was lifting weights. Pero, kain pa more kasi. Kaya, medyo nag-gain ng weight. Pero, he's doing his best naman, guys. Okay lang naman siya. Si Dan at saka yung pamangkin niya. Tingnan yung mukha ni Dan. Ang cute. Okay lang naman ipakita yung kambal ni Dan. Pero, sino makita? Ito yung kambal ni Dan. Oh, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Parang hindi magkamukha. Look at her! Look how pretty! Oh, diba? Yun yung kambal ni Dan. Nung kasal nila. Oh, diba? Ang gaganda. Ang gagwapo. Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Nakita nyo na ang kambal ni Dan kasi ang dami sa inyo gusto makita yung kambal niya. Guys, malapit na ako matapos maglinis. Namatay yung vacuum kasi hindi ko siya na full ma-charge kanina. So, chinarge ko lang siya. Ano na lang, yung bathroom na lang sa master's bedroom. At saka yung master's bedroom, kailangan ko i-vacuum. Okay na! I'm pretty sure I can film the house tour today. So, yes! I will be cooking mee goreng because it's been a while since I had one. I'm just boiling up water, guys. And magmi-mee goreng tayo. Oh, guys, this one pala, I got from Rose Gal. I'm not sure if... Is this good here? Dito, malapit sa ano? Sa harap ng oven? Okay ba siya? I don't know. Kasi nilagay ko siya dyan. And gusto ko siya ilagay sa front of the house na lang. I feel like hindi siya maganda tingnan dito. I don't know. Lalagay ko siya sa harap ng bahay. Hindi sa labas, sa loob. Sa may pinto dun. Makikita niyo siya sa house tour. Oh, this is so good. I'm just heating up my rice. And then ilalagay ko yung rice ko dyan. Nakakaloka. Carbs on carbs on carbs. Ready na yung rice ko. Ang ganda nito sa sakyang to I'm watching a video and just Mazda. Nice. May ad yung video na pinapanood ko. I'm just watching Shannon Rose's vlog. Mainit na rice. Ilalagay ko lang siya. Actually, hindi ko siya i-mix. Kakainin ko lang siya like this. Alright, kain tayo, guys! Guys, this is it! I will be filming the house tour. Natapos ko malinis lahat. Kakaligo ko lang. I put makeup on. I have on my lips. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's Umber. U-M-B-E-R. From Me Now. Yung lip gloss nila. So, that's what I have on my lips. Open ko lang to. Kasi mag-house tour ako! Ay, ang dumi sa labas. Hindi naman. Okay lang. Not bad. Okay, open natin yan. We usually do not open this because why open it? Pero kailangan ko ng konting lights because ang dilim. Like, guys, anong oras pa ba? It's only 3:13. Wait, you can't see. It's only 3:13. You can't see. But, yeah, ang dilim. Ay, naku, kulang lang yung memory ko. Itay ko lang yung buhok ko. And then, we will start filming. I'm watching La Luna Sangre while hinihintay ko si Dan. Sobrang ganda na nito, guys. Nanonood ba kayo na to? Ano ba tayo ngayon? Thursday. Ito, Wednesday to. So, mamayang Thursday, bukas ko pa mapapanood kasi late na siya lumalabas. Nag-subscribe ako sa TFC, so TFC siya. Kasi nag-try ako dun sa mga website, diba, na merong free na lalo na sangre, mga ganun-ganun. Tapos nagka-virus yung lapi ko. Tapos I was shocked! So sabi ko, wow, no! Kasi sobrang natakot ako guys, so nagka-virus siya. So huwag kayong magtiwala sa mga ganun guys, nakaka-virus. Nag-ano na lang ako, napagasta tuloy ako sa TFC.
Hello. House is so clean!
What? I didn't catch you!
Thank you.
You look so quick! Are we going?
Yeah.
I was just putting on my cardigan.
Okay.
And I have my scarf on.
That's good.
I didn't even know that I have the scarf. How clean is the house? Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, right?
Looks
Who's
good.
the best?
You're the best.
Look at this, babe. Look at all this stuff here.
Yeah.
That was hidden before.
Where was it hidden? I knew it was there.
It was hidden.
Cool. Excellent.
Excellent.
Thanks, man.
It's so cold. He will take me to my nail.
Yeah.
To my nail place. Okay, I'll just put this cardigan on and then I'll pee and then I'll go.
It's on.
It's on. I'll show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this scarf for the very first time. I got it from Charlotte Russe. I forgot about it. But it's black. It's really long. See? And then this jumper, very thin jumper. It's see-through actually. It's from Rosegal. And this is from Shein, I think. Shoes from Muy Bien Bonita. And then leggings from Tarjay. Dinoble ko yung leggings kasi sobrang lamig. And then this from Zafo. And then that's it. Let's go. Tingnan nyo to guys. May tag pa. Nakakaloka. Hindi napansin na Sinampan naman niya yung outfit ko. We're heading to the nail salon. My appointment is 5:45. It's now 5:27. Guys, I just got my nails done and we're here at Chachi's Mexican restaurant. And meron sila, I'm not sure if you can see. Oh yes, you can see. Thursday night, half-price nachos. Yummers! And ito yung nails ko. Wait, I'm not sure if you can see. That's my nails. Nagtry ako ng almond na shape. So parang pointed siya. And meron akong ring finger accent dyan na glitter. Parang rose gold siya, pero hindi masyadong kita. I actually really like it. Yes. It looks darker on here kasi siguro sa lights na dan, but mamaya.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Dito na kami, guys. Look at this. First time namin dito. Is it your first time here as well?
Hello, just a photographer too. Yep.
Ganda dito. Meron silang mga ganyan. And then ito, oh.
They're up there.
Nice. Specials night. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tacos, nachos, and no. Where's Thursdays? Yeah, half price nachos. Yummers. Guacamole. What are you getting, babe? Do you know yet? Burrito. I think you'll get a burrito. Meron silang bar dun. Maganda siya. Very Mexican. Kasi Mexican restaurant nga. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Pero ang cool nito guys, oh. Yung lalagyan ng plato mo. Ano siya? Parang siyang yung sa jeep. Ito, oh. Eh, nakakatuwa pa. Kasi yung pangalan ng restaurant is Chachi. Yung pangalan ng aso namin, wait. Diba yung pangalan ng aso namin, Sachi? Tinatawag siya ni Dana Chachi. And ayaw niya sa aso namin kasi tumatahol ng bonggang kapag nandun si Dan. Ayaw niya sa aso namin. Kasi diba yung mga aso dito, siguro hindi lahat, pero aso ng kapatid niya, aso ng mama niya, sobrang bait. As in, sobrang bait. Kahit bago pa ako noon, wala namang ginawang masama sa akin si Bella at saka si Leroy. Pero si Sachi, savage. Sobrang savage. Takot na takot si Dan tumakbo. Nung tinahon siya ni Sachi, tumakbo si Dan. Pinagtatawanan siya ng mga kapatid ko. Ay, ito yung nails ko, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda ng accent. There. Nice. I like the shape as well. Mas pahahabain ko pa siya. Tapos, bakit parang crooked siya tingnan dyan? Long. Dito na yung drinks namin. Lemon bitters as usual. There, guys. Nagpunta ako sa toilet. Babe, I went to the toilet. It's actually outside the restaurant. I looked like I was lost because I was. And then there's this Asian guy, babe, that helped me. He was like, it's over there. And then I said, sige. Babe, I said, sige. Busy si Dan. Wala. Kailan kausap ko busy. Wala. Hindi ako pinapansin. Sinabi ko sa kanya, sige. Nakakalimutan ko. Sa trabaho din minsan, kapag kinakausap ako ng mga ko, katrabaho ko, sinasabi ko, sige. Ay, wala lang. Natuwa lang ako, babe. Walay. Look at my food, guys. Ang dami. Kay Dan? Is it good, babe?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, meron pang flag. Pwede, wow. Ito yung half price. Ang laki! Yummers, kain! Ito yung, palabas. Nice, guys. Ayan. Ayan silang pag ganito. Nice. At saka dyan. Pwede, wow. Nakapark kami dito talaga sa harap. Let's go home. Where are you going? Is it ready then?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay. So it will click, right? When it's done? Ang bango nito. Do you like the smell of gasoline? Or petrol? I like it. Oh my gosh, ang lamig. Tinanggal ko yung scarf ko kasi over siya. Sa nail salon, hindi naman kasi ganun. Hala babe, it clicked.
It's not ready.
Hindi ganun kalamig sa nail salon. Can you turn off my camera, please? Thank you, babe. Okay, do a haul. Grocery haul, babe. Sige na! Sige na! What do you have in here? Ito yung pinagyayabang niya. K-cup. Kiwi! Avocado? My favorite! Ang sarap niyang kiwi na yan, guys. Ano siya? Wait, can we see the kiwi?
That's the one.
Hindi siya kasing hairy ng isang kiwi.
That's the avocado we use. That's the one.
And then, ano siya, guys? Yellow. Di ba yung isang kiwi green? Yellow yung laman niya. And then, ano siya? Basta masarap to. Sobrang tamis. Kasi yung isang kiwi, yung green, ano siya, di ba? Medyo maasim. Ito matamis. Tapos, mas mahal siya. Doble ng price nung regular kiwi. Pero sabi nung ka-workmate ko, mas healthy daw to. Like, not that hindi healthy yung green na kiwi. Para sa akin, kapag kumain ako ng fruit, sobrang healthy ko na. Pero mas healthy daw yung yellow, which is good. Thanks for getting that, babe. And then, he got this as well. Nag-shopping siya sa Kohl's while I got my nails done. And then, yun lang, babe. And then, he got milk. So, yun lang. Let's go. Meron pa akong isang kiwi. Ngayon, dalawa na. Na-stock yung coffee ni Don. Ako yung may kasalanan. Na-stock dyan kanina umaga. Sorry, babe. Sabi niya, wala na. Ban ka na sa coffee maker na to. Kasi every time I make his coffee using that machine, lagi siya nagsistock. Sabi niya, bakit nasa-stock kapag ikaw? Kasi kapag si Dan wala, hindi nasa-stock kapag ako lang. Sabi niya, ban ka na ha. Hindi ka na pwede, hindi mo ito pwede i-touch. Sorry. It's gonna be my fault. How much is that, babe?
Couple hundred.
Like how many couple? Like 200?
Maybe something like that.
300?
I'm not sure.
Parang nasira na talaga.
I think it's going to be taken apart though.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean like Alan's keys and stuff.
Uh-oh.
We'll get pizza up.
I'm going.
Anyway.
Are you coming back?
I don't know. I'm gonna watch.
Okay, let's go to the room then. Can you help me with this?
You have to do that now?
Sorry?
You have to do that now?
Okay, I'll do it tomorrow. But how do you want me to do it though? Like two separate ones?
Yeah, do you? It's as easiest.
I want to wrap the gift for Archie. So just two separate ones, babe?
Yeah, that's easy for you. We can do one big one. I'm not fussed. He's only a kid though.
When is his birthday? Saturday? Sige, I'll wrap that tomorrow. Guys, I'll close the vlog. Nakalimutan ko. Matutulog na sana ako. Hindi ko pa na-close. But yeah, I'll close the vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be cute. Good night. Good night, babe.
Sir?
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.